and immediately noticed the noise.
Appears to be a lot of police activity. I hear a lot of sirens over there, and some of the sideshows.
Some sideshows as loud and brazen as this. It's often coming from the Los Deltas housing projects a few hundred feet away, where the telltale marks of sideshows are visible in the streets.
We've heard from residents about the number of outsiders coming here and congregating, especially at night. This is full of cars at night. There's criminal activity that occurs.
Contra Costa Supervisor John Joya has a plan to cut down on criminal activity, something that's never been tried before here.
We will be declaring much of the street a no parking zone.
The resolution would prohibit stopping, standing, or parking at all times on this stretch of Silver Avenue. Supervisor Joya admits the change would be drastic.
It gives the sheriff an additional tool to be able to ask people to leave who shouldn't be here.
The measure would take effect near a cluster of apartments that are already abandoned, windows covered with metal. Joya says some improvements have already been made at Los Deltas. Lighting has been added and trees cut back to increase visibility. Los Deltas will eventually close and be replaced with better affordable housing. Until then, neighbors are hopeful.
I think it'll be really helpful if they start now, and especially if they're going to be putting in affordable housing down the line. So then in the future, when more families move in, they don't have to encounter what's happening right now.
In Richmond, Kristen Ayers, KPIX 5.
Police say this Fremont man threatened to